Hello, my name is Maggie, and welcome to the English Driving School YouTube channel. We hope this video helps you understand VicRoads drive test assessment criteria. Let's talk about the terms used by the LTO while assessing the drive test. Crossing. 1. Children's crossing. A section of the road with stop lines and children crossing flags mounted on red and white striped posts on either side of the road. 2. Marked foot crossing. A section of road marked by a different road surface or two parallel lines or rows of studs or markers on the road surface, with pedestrian lights facing pedestrians crossing the road and traffic lights facing vehicles driving on the road. 3. Pedestrian crossing. A section of road marked by parallel white stripes and a pedestrian crossing sign, walking leg symbol, with or without flashing yellow lights. Crosswalk. The section of road where pedestrians cross at a pedestrian crossing, a children's crossing, or a marked foot crossing, all defined above. The area between the crosswalk line and any vehicle stop line marked ahead of the crosswalk line does not constitute a crosswalk. Diverging. Any lane change, lane merge, or lateral movement within the lane of at least a car width, whether marked or unmarked. Evasive action. Any change in course or speed by another road user, including swerving, stopping, slowing, or accelerating to avoid a potential collision with the applicant's vehicle. Head check. The applicant checks for other road users in blind spots that cannot be seen in the mirrors by looking back over their left or right shoulder through the vehicle's side windows rather than the rear window. Lane. A section of road designated for use by a single line of traffic. The lane's left and right boundaries can be defined by pavement markings such as lane lines, center lines, or edge lines, as well as by the curb, the edge of the sealed road surface, or the center of the road. Lateral. Movement from side to side differs from forwards and backwards movement. Merging. 1. A single vehicle entering a traffic flow, such as when a vehicle pulls out from the curb. 2. The joining of two or more traffic streams to form a single stream, such as when two adjacent lanes merge to form a single lane. Road user. A motor vehicle driver or rider, a bicycle rider, or a pedestrian. Traffic. This category includes not only motor vehicles such as cars, trucks, motorcycles, and so on, but also bicycles and pedestrians. Turning. At an intersection, changing directions to travel from one road to another. Driving around a curve or bend while staying on the same road is not included. Types of assessment. The drive test employs 4 different types of assessment items. 1. Task assessment items. Task assessment items evaluate one aspect of driving performance while performing a specific, accessible driving task at a specific location on the test route. For example, when turning right from Smith Street onto Jones Road, observation may be assessed. While driving between accessible driving tasks, task assessment items are not assessed. They count towards the applicant's point total for Stage 1 or Stage 2. Stage assessment items. Stage assessment items evaluate an aspect of driving performance, either control or lateral position, during accessible tasks and linking maneuvers in Stage 1 and again in Stage 2. They count towards the applicant's point total for the relevant stage. Critical errors. Critical errors are recorded whenever they occur during the test, not just when they occur during accessible driving tasks. They are recorded if an applicant commits a serious driving error, including an illegal action that does not meet the conditions for an immediate termination error described below. For example, a critical error is recorded when there are no other vehicles nearby and no dangerous situation is created by failing to signal before changing lanes. If the applicant commits more than one critical error during Stage 1 or more than 2 critical errors during the entire test, the drive test will be terminated immediately and the result recorded as not successful. Immediate termination errors. Immediate termination errors are recorded at any time during the test, not just when they occur during accessible driving tasks. An immediate termination error is a driving action that causes another road user to take evasive action, causes immediate danger to road users or property, and increases the risk of a collision if the LTO or instructor does not intervene unnecessarily. For example, failing to yield to another vehicle or a pedestrian when turning results in an immediate termination error. It should be noted that if another road user's evasive action was unnecessary, the applicant is not considered to have caused the other road user to take evasive action. An immediate termination error committed at any time during the test will result in the drive test being terminated immediately. Check out English Driving School if you want to improve your driving skills and want to know everything in detail. Please visit our official website at www.englishdrivingschool.io. Please contact us at 0403-206-157 if you have any further questions. We'll be back with another video soon. Stay safe and drive safely until then.